Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, I'm going to bring in the Logitech Z407 speakers. We'll take a look at it, see how well it works, and how to set them up. So let's go ahead and do that. Opening them up first on the top. Instructions right on the actual cardboard box. If you guys can see it, how to set it up, how to get the batteries out, how to do all sorts of things. The dial is right off the front. It's right here. It's a little small dial. It reminds me of the Surface, Microsoft Surface dial that they have. It's about the same feel. You can even feel some of the tension coming back and forth. It has some feedback in here just by moving the dial itself. So, and it has a couple instructions in here. You guys can see it. What else is this in here? So let's go ahead and take a manual. And this thing is like the one that's stuck in here. And this is like the subwoofer. We're going to put it on the side. And of course, the piece de resistance, the two speakers. We'll put the box on the side. These are nice little speakers. Nice little setup. Little stands. Two sets of speakers. Cable for each one. And of course, the batteries. They do give you the batteries. So let's get everything out of the way. Now, if you guys can see, two different colors. White is for left. Blue is for right, and auxiliary. This is an extra auxiliary, and then the USB if you want to plug it in too. Actually, this is actually to plug it in. To be honest with you, to your computer. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the actual system itself. Look at that. So this is left, and these are easy to set up. If you guys see the hooks on there, they just pretty much go in place in here. If you guys can see it, and then you just push them in, and that's pretty much what you do. I mean, nothing fancy. Just push them in there, and that's it. You could do it sideways too. I just noticed that. So you could take it off and do it sideways. It's actually probably better for me. Sideways. Look at that. Nice and flat. You could do flat, standing up straight, or sideways. Like I said, different ways to do it. I kind of like the side angle. So we're going to go to the side angle. And I like that they give you the option, but it doesn't clip or anything like that. So it gives you a good ways of how you want to set it up, how you want to set these up. So this one here is an R, so it tells you as clearly it's right. Plenty of slack of the cable, and it's blue. Then the other one is actually green. So instead of white, it's supposed to be gray kind of thing. And in the back of it, very simple. There is gray, I guess. You know, gray area goes into gray, and blue goes into blue. The box itself, really light. There is another part of the subwoofer right underneath, and that's kind of sensitive not to touch, and into the entry, of course. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and set it up. So once you got it going with the batteries, you're gonna have to sync it up, and there's a blue button here. You just hold it down, and if you guys see it, it starts hearing it. And then we add a Bluetooth on. Add Bluetooth, starts connecting. You can see it's blinking, and there it is right there. Logi Audio 7Z connected. And you should hear it now. And all right, play some music. We see it here. Logi Z407 controllers. They have the instructions right in front. Bass is loud. Turn it down. And this is wireless. It's working wirelessly. I don't have any connection, no feedback, no nothing. The line in doesn't have to go in. It's completely wireless. US Bluetooth, of course. Now, just make sure that you have an antenna for the Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn this down. The bass is really good happening. So make sure that you do have an antenna for the Bluetooth, because I had to go set up my antenna. It wasn't working very well. It was a little, you know, gibbery. The results are flawless. So let's go ahead and play something else too. Let's see. We'll do hip hop, another hip hop. So we just control the volume, and if you can see it, it's coming up. It's all the way up. Turn on the bass now. So you push it down, and that's the bass sound. Push it down. Bass, you push it down, turn it down a little bit down, and then let it go, push again. That's the audio. That's pretty awesome. So let's see the decibels on this. I'm like probably a foot away from the speaker, and I'm talking, so the decibels are going to go a little high. And plus, I got a fan over me. But we're going to go ahead and play it with like light first. We're going to play light. Turn it up all the way. That's the highest. That's the highest it goes. We're gonna turn up the bass. If you guys can see, I'm gonna turn up the bass all the way up. We're gonna go back high again. Turn on the bass a little higher. You can feel the bass. There you go. That's one right there. That's another one. It's playing pretty good with this. You can turn it up. You guys can see it. Pause it. That's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like it. It's not too loud as you wanted to, like double speakers or anything, but it's good enough for your playing your music, loud enough to play your music. And with the sub bass and wirelessly, you can't beat that. So this is compatible with desktop, laptop. So if you have any questions or any comments, hit me up.